Hello everyone, I'd like to thank you for watching. Here is our completed set. This has been a long but fun project. I'm very happy with the way the stain colors came out, including the white. It took 3 coats of white stain to get this shade. The polyurethane came out real good. I've got a nice shine to all of these. It's a set that I think my son's going to enjoy for years. The brown stain and the grain pattern, it almost looks like gold leaf the way that it pops. I just love it. Feel free to copy this design if you want. I designed this myself, and I hope you have all enjoyed watching, and wishing you all happy woodworking. Thanks, and have a wonderful day, everyone.